Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your GoDaddy website builder with Calendly. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder. If you have not already, you can go to godaddy.com and from there open up your portfolio and dashboard to open up your website in edit mode. From here we can get started with using it, and as you can see the right side of the screen we can find this menu that's going to enable us to set up our website and to go ahead and edit it however you want. And if you go into the settings menu, you're going to see all the analytics options such as cookie banner, Google Analytics, Metapixel, and so on, but there is no direct way for Calendly. So what we can do is follow this article right here in the step-by-step guide. So once you've set up your Calendly account, you're going to go to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the integrations or apps section. So currently this is not fully supported. You can go into the store right here and open up your products and from there search for integrations, but you're going to need a premium plan, and I'm not currently sure if it's possible with the GoDaddy website builder. If you have a regular website that you've connected with GoDaddy, it's going to be much easier and you're going to go and be able to install your integrations that way by following these steps right here and how you're going to integrate it from the marketplace. So once you've done that, you can do so, and you can also integrate other analytics tools such as Metapixel and so on, all from the settings tab. So that's what you can try out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channels. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.